Hello guys, and today we are gonna be doing the unboxing of this beast. This is the fastest phone that exists in the world from the Vivo till this day, and it is Vivo V17 Pro. And guys, today this would be the first giveaway from our channel that we are gonna be doing, and I'm gonna tell you later that how you are gonna get this phone in this giveaway. But first let me just try unboxing it and opening it up. So let me just show you the overall view of the box in which it comes is, and here there are something written. Let me just zoom that in so that you can have a clear view. Yes, we have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of ROM. So let me just zoom it out and move on towards, and this is the overall view of the box in which the phone, this beast, relies inside. So yes, here it is written about the 32 dual selfie cam that actually pops up from the top of the phone. This is a new trending in these modern smartphones with this pop-up front selfie cam, and we can see all quad camera that has a maximum camera of 48 megapixel and a combination of 4 cameras. Actually, I'm gonna give you the specification further in this video, and also here it is written about the display size, which is quite a bigger display for this phone. And let me just remove this and open it up. Well, it is quite tough to get it out, yes, but you can see, yes, here we have got this V17 Pro. This is some sort of case. I don't know what's inside. Let me just open it up and see what is in. Yes, we have a SIM card tray opener, and it is attached to this is a warranty card, a typical warranty card. We have got the SIM card tray opener, and what is it? Let me just see this and open it up. I guess this is the USB charging cable plug, and yes, we have it here. And let me just see that, yes, it is a C-type charger. Yes, now you can see that this is the C-type charger. It also comes along with a fast battery charging option, so that is one extra feature that the phone has. And this is the silicone protecting case, but I would not recommend it to you because of silicone protecting case. It is very harder, so I am not going to recommend it for you to use your phone for the protection of your phone, because I know it is gonna leave some scratches on the phone. And one thing extra, that it is very tough to get your phone out of it once you have fitted your phone inside it. So removing and adding your phone to it is very tough, so I'm not going to recommend this for you. You can get another protecting case in the market that would be much reliable for you instead of using this one. Now moving on towards the beast. Yes, here is the beast. Let me just catch it and let me just pick it up and zoom it in. What is written? Yes, here is written the Google Assistant, which it comes with, and a fingerprint in-screen fingerprint sensor that is written right over here. And the Google Assistant, let me just remove this wrapping that is around the phone and see what is inside and how the color is actually looking and how it gives away the feeling of holding this phone in my hand. So I'm going to remove this wrapping, and yes, I'm removing the wrapping here. Finally, so you can see the beast right here in my hand right now. You can see how attractive the colors are, and especially the color spectrum there are changing with the light. You can see that how attractive look it gives away, and it is specially made for a businessman's pocket. And you can see on the top, let me just show you and zoom it in. Yes, you can see here that these are the 2 front pop-up selfie cameras which will open up and moves upwards when you are going to take a selfie. And you can also see the 3.5mm jack, a headphone jack that is by the side of, I don't know what's this button for. I think this is for the Google Assistant. And on the right side we have got this volume rocker and this power key for locking up the device. And moving on towards, so I'm going to turn on the beast right now, and that would be, let's see what is on the inside of this phone. As you can see that the logo on the Vivo has appeared now, and you can see how classic look of the phone that it is giving away. Now let me just show you that the combination of the cameras that it has on its back until the phone is started. So we have got a 48 megapixel wide angle lens and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 13 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Actually, these are the four combination of the cameras that we have got here. So of course this is gonna work extremely excellent with the picture taking. So now let me just open the phone and just move around the phone and see what is on the inside of this device. Let me just open the setting and see about the phone. Let me go inside and let's find about the phone, where it is. I don't know. Yes, let me just increase the brightness so you can have a clear view, and about the phone, where it is, and more setting. Yes, I found that. And about the phone, you can see the Fun Touch OS and the Android version 9 of the phone, with the RAM is 8 gigabytes. Now let me just open the camera. The front pop-up selfie motorized camera. Yes, you can see it here. The way it open up is very attractive and very professional look that it gives. Let me just do that again and tell you that we have combination of 32 megapixel wide angle lens camera and another 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens camera. So that is one of beast of cameras that it has. Actually 2 on the front and 4 cameras on the back. This is one hell of a phone that you should have, and that is the fastest and the heaviest in the regard of specification and its application in the world right now that the Vivo has provided till this day. So guys, now let me tell you about the display. So guys, as here you can see that it has a display which also has an extra feature, that is the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 that extends from its front towards its back. So on the front and as well as on the back we have got this Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. That is one excellent feature that the Samsung Galaxy Note has these features, and the Samsung Galaxy S series has this feature. And now in the Vivo, first time the Vivo V17 Pro, which comes along with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, that is on the front and as well as on the back. And the frame is well actually made up of plastic with the color. I don't know whether this would be better or it would have worked good if the frame was made with the aluminum, but the phone is giving away a very nice look, so I'm not gonna make any comments on this, especially on the frame. Well, you can see here that on the bottom we have got the SIM card tray, a speaker vent, and the C-type charging cable plug in place. Now moving on towards further, and let's see what's here. Let me just get this away. Yes, so here we have a charger that is, this is quite bigger in size than the normal other charger. So guys, you can see here that it shows that 9 volt and 2 amperes. So if I multiply 9 multiply 2, it comes 18 watts. So the fast charging battery charger is actually 18 watt of power consuming. Now here are the handfrees. Well, you can see here that the handfree is quite legendary in style. This is not any normal handfree that we get with other phones like the other mid-ranges like the Vivo has, but here they have designed these special designs for the Vivo V17 Pro, which is looking quite amazing. Well, I have not used it right now, but I'm sure I'm going to be making a video and giving a response about that, how are the features and how are the other devices that come along with the smartphone are working after a month, all I think also. Now let me tell you that how are you gonna get this giveaway. So what you have to do is to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment between 1 to 1000. Comment a number between 1 to 1000, and after a month we are gonna be doing a lucky draw in which the lucky one who gets the right number and also has liked the video and subscribe our channel will get this phone straight away. So do not lose this chance and please try your luck. You might get luckier and you actually can win this phone. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video and thank you for your support, and let's see who is gonna win this phone after a month. So see you back then.